Good morning. It's almost 6 a.m. in Nanaimo and I'm up early because I have been feeling spring coming on. I feel like with the sun rising earlier and earlier, it is a signal of a really nice time of year that I enjoy so much, and I'm sure all of you do as well. So on that note, I'm headed to Neck Point Park to show you the most beautiful spot to see the sunrise in Nanaimo. So Neck Point Park is in the Hammond Bay area of Nanaimo. We're in the north right now driving there. It's going to take me about 10-12 minutes. Oh, there's somebody jogging early in the morning. Woohoo! I always like to cheer people on when they're jogging. The reason this is such a beautiful place to go see the sunrise is because it sits on a piece of land that faces northeast. So you're kind of facing, you can see Vancouver from it. It's just unobstructed, really nice. There is a little bit of cloud cover today, so I hope it's still going to be lovely. I'm sure it will be. The weather is warming up. It should be a nice, beautiful, sunny day today. I am actually headed to Souk for the day, prepping for a Scouts Canada camp. So it's going to be a long day for me, but I always like to start my day off right. And last time I was going to do this, I was interrupted and I was supposed to actually do a cold plunge with it as well. So not today. It's not the day for it. Quiet, the birds are chirping. I'm the only person here. It's really nice. I just wanted to show you, this is where Simon and I did our cold plunge last year. This beautiful beach. It's already shaping up to be a very beautiful sunrise. That was definitely a beautiful morning to watch the sunrise here in Nanaimo at Neck Point Park. I was alone when I got here. I saw about 4 people as the sun was rising, and now the park's getting a little bit busier. It's a popular spot. My hands are freezing. I'm about to head off to go to Souk, so I'm gonna go warm up. But thanks for joining me for the sunrise in Nanaimo.